Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
HEXA.
What does the dictionary say?
A combining form meaning 6.
Math rap.
To make sure hexa in your memory sticks, know that it's a prefix meaning 6, like a hexagon. As it's configured, the hexa makes it a 6-sided figure.
Math rap.
Explain hexa in your own words. What happens when you throw a 6-sided figure away? Hexagon. List everyday objects that are hexagonal in shape. Hexagons are used in a lot of traffic signs. Using a hexagon, make a special sign that would indicate to people that the use of portable electronic devices are not permitted in class while we're learning math. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!